Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, I wanted to do this quick double unboxing of this two new bags. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this double unboxing. Okay everybody, so this is a quick double unboxing. This item was actually pre-ordered probably like 3-4 months ago, so it just started shipping out. Without any further ado, let's get into the box. Okay, I think once I open it, you kind of know from what brand it is. Let me get the invoice out and let's get into the box. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I did order 2 items from Blackwood. Okay, so I think I stated in one of my videos, oh, this thing is heavy. Ooh, okay, maybe that give you a clue onto what this item is. Okay, all right, let me get the big box out the way. And then we'll get into more of the bag detail. Trying to get this box out the way. Okay, so these are the 2 boxes right here of the bag that I ordered from Blackwood. One is mine, one is actually for my auntie. I did order it for her birthday, which was back in June, but like I said, it was a pre-order. It's now that they started shipping them out, so I gotta send this to her. But I wanted to do the unboxing so you guys could see both of the bags and see what the differences are based on the colors and stuff like that. Okay, so let me open my aunt's first. So I did get this one, and it, as you can see, it has the microfiber cloth. It has the little signature that Blackwood usually does, where it says thank you for your order, and then it has him signing it. I think that is just so still creative and very appreciated, especially for a brand, you know, just so that he tell you thank you for shopping with him, right? So anyway, so this is the one that I got for my aunt. So this is the Kendrick trunk, but in the metallic. This is in the gold. When I did order it for my auntie, she did tell me that she needed a gold bag, so I got her the gold version of this bag. It is beautiful. It still got the plastic on it, as you can see right here. And basically this is what it looked like, as you can see right here. I love the fact that it has like the metallic gold. I'm not going to open it and take the plastic off because this is her gift, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. It's very heavy in the arm, honestly. Like, there's nothing in there. As you can see, it's still plastic, but it's really heavy because it's made with metal, and that's why it's the metal trunk. So it's all metal. There's no leather, nothing. It's straight metal. But I love this gold. I think this gold is such a pretty gold. So I did order one for my aunt, and I also ordered one for my cousin, just so we all can have the same bag. But I think like my cousin and my aunt, they both wanted gold. You're gonna see mine is in a different color because I wanted a different color. I didn't want gold because I already had a gold bag. So I ordered a different color for myself, which I'm gonna open so you guys can see it. But I did order the gold for my aunt and my cousin, because my cousin's birthday is actually coming up in November, so this was her birthday gift as well, so we all can match. So this is my aunt. So let's cover this one and let's go now into mine. Mine is a little bit different. Like I stated, I ordered mine not in the gold or the silver, so they did have a different metal trunk, and I love it. So without any further ado, let's open it up. Got the paperwork, and then it also have the cloth which I had taken. So just a FYI, I did already take the plastic off mine because I wanted to just test it and see how it was and everything. I haven't used it yet. I just took the plastic wrapping like you saw on my auntie's. So this is my beauty right here. So this is mine right here. So as you can see, it has like the fingerprint and everything on it because I took the plastic off. Sorry for the shaking. I did take the plastic off because I wanted to see really how the trunk was and make sure there was no scratching or anything on there. So this is my trunk right here. So this is the metallic trunk right here. It does have the feet. So if you're new to the Brandon Blackwood, the Kendrick trunk, they do have feet on here, and I will show you the leather version as well so you can compare it of what this looked like. They did have I know Brandon Black will only make this in this type of shape and also with the mini Kendrick trunk. He hasn't made it in the regular size Kendrick trunk, which I will bring out because I do have a regular size Kendrick trunk. I don't have a mini. So this is kind of like a East-West kind of design in so many sense, but it's a little bit shorter than it's a little bit shorter than the regular Kendrick. Let me get that right now while I'm talking to you guys. So this is the regular Kendrick trunk. I've done a lot of videos about it. So as you can see the comparison right here. So this one is a little bit more shorter and it's a little bit more it's a little shorter as you can see right here. So this is, let's see if we put it, as you can see. So this is the metal and then this is the regular Kendrick trunk. So it's a little bit shorter, but then this one is a little bit more longer in so many sense because as you see it right here. But if you put it on top of here, it's like almost the same. So let's see. So you put it right here. So this is the Kendrick. So you see it's a little bit shorter than the regular Kendrick trunk, but it's a little bit more wider, if that's what I wanted to get to. So it's a little bit more wider than the regular Kendrick trunk when it comes to it. So I feel like they stretch the mini Kendrick trunk and make this like this one, but this one is more taller as you can see, but because it's the bigger size, it has a little bit more width to it compared to this one. I know a lot of people are asking Brandon Blackwood if he's gonna come out with the metal trunk in this size. And I know he was saying he's not sure because this is going to take a lot more work because of the size of it. So this is way more bigger and wider as you can see right here. So the regular trunk, the regular Kendrick trunk, as you can see right here, is taller, is a little wider and stuff like that. And the silhouette is way more bigger than this. This is supposed to be more skinnier, a skinnier version and stuff like that, which I love. I really do love this bag. I think this bag is so beautiful. So if you're not aware, the Kendrick trunk open like this, and you see how the open, oh, my cloth is in here. So as you can see, this is how it opens right here. And I feel like this one opens a little bit more better than this one. Let's put this down so we can take a look at this one. So this still got the, let me see, because this sometimes be giving me a heartache to open. Okay, so you see, so the regular Kendrick trunk, I feel like doesn't open that wide. As you can see, this is as wide as it go. So this part is still a little bit like in it. The suede part is a little bit in it, like tuck in. So this is how much it opens for the regular leather Kendrick trunk in the regular size. Sorry, this one I feel like opened a little bit wider because as you can see, the inside, as you can see, it opens way wider than this, which I'm so happy about because that was one of the things that I was kind of not sure about, if this was going to have a little bit more of a wider space. That's one of the things that I don't like about this, because it doesn't open that wide. This opened way more wider, I guess because it has the slimmer silhouette to it, so it opened way more wider. And it does come with the microfiber cloth, as all of his stuff come in for his Kendrick trunk. And then this is the chain. I love the chain. I think the chain is so substantial, honestly, and it literally, like, it is heavy. I love the multicolor on here. I think it's so beautiful. I think this at nighttime will be such a beautiful bag. So I love the fact that this opened way wider. This was such a great surprise for me because, like I stated, I don't like the other Kendrick trunk just because it doesn't open that wide, but because of the slimmer silhouette, this opened way wider, so you can get more stuff in here even though it's short. Right, so this is basically what it looked like. It's just a regular Kendrick trunk, but in the metal material. You hear the sound of that? Yeah, so this is all metal. It does have the feet, and I love how he always put the protector on the feet so it doesn't like scratch it or mess it up or anything. I think that is just so beautiful. It does come with the top handle, so you can wear a top handle. This definitely is going to be a handprint magnet, honestly speaking. As you can see, like, I'm not sure if you can see it right here. Let me bring it close. You see the handprint already on here. I mean, you expect that because this is a trunk and it's a metal trunk, so you will expect that compared to the leather one where you don't see any handprint because it's leather. So because this is a metal trunk, it is expected, and that's what you buy. That's what you pay for, right? It's a fingerprint magnet. I think this is so beautiful, well made. Like, I love it. I'm just looking over it. Just make sure, like I said, I did take the plastic off just to see, make sure there's no issue or anything on it. And it looks really good. It's just the handprint magnet. This is something you're gonna have to wipe down constant. Like, you're gonna have to wipe this every single time you use it consistently. Like, it's just, but that's why he gave you the microfiber cloth. But anyway, guys, so these were the two unboxing. I wanted to open these two beauty right here. These are the brand new, well, this one is the brand new collection to the Bag of Style family, and the other one is going to my aunt. But I think this is such a beautiful, classy made. I like, this is made so incredible well. So I am just so happy to actually have this in my collection. So as you can see, so this is going to be my second Kendrick trunk that I added from Brandon Blackwood. I don't know, I love his trunk. I think they're just well made. So now I have one in the metal, and then I have one in the leather. And just the FYI, this, every time he release it, for the past 3 releases have sold out. So I was able to get it on the 3rd one. I'm not sure if he's going to release it again, because I think he did say this is the last drop of the metal trunk. So I'm not 100% if he's going to release it again, but I'm just so happy I actually got my hands on this bag. So super excited, and I just wanted to do this quick unboxing. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.